What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. So right now we're actually up bright and early, and we're gonna be heading out, meeting up with some BMW people and heading out to a car show, which is actually a Porsche show, but they invited some of us BMW people, so we're gonna be heading out and checking that show out, see how it goes. Behind him?
Behind Ricky.
All right.
Yeah. Ricky's gonna pull right behind Porsche. And then David.
All right, guys, we're pulling up to the meet right now. Got a couple Porsches, some Dodges right there.
Pretty sick meat though.
It's a nice E92, GTS front lip, some BBS E46 it looks like. Super clean. And performance exhaust. This thing is clean. Clean little E30 right here.
I like his wheels.
HREs.
Take him on, yeah. Oh, this shit's hard. You got a GT3 RS down there, the blue one?
I think I'd probably take that over a Huracan.
No, I'll take
And I'll take a Aventador over.
I'll take a Huracan over that.
This is gorgeous though. Yep, GT2 RS.
The one I posted the other day
Speed
was a Porsche 90.
If you're interested at all, he keeps great care of that.
It looks like it. Costs the hell out of it.
Yeah, and he doesn't.
911S.
I want a 911 Turbo. I want a 911 Turbo. This year, it looks like 17.
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
That Miami blue one is nice.
Wrap E46 that car.
Well, if you're in that market, why don't you step up to that thing?
Shout out to Roberto. I'm not soon for the sandwich in Starbucks.
Kanye, huh?
Huh?
Kanye,
Come here, stupid. Stupid guy. This is dope. Triumph. Never seen one of those. It's an Ariel Atom, right?
Oh, did you see him?
This guy,
Oh, the JBL?
Yeah, they're just JBL, like portable speakers. What's in these anyway? Can't even tell. There's a cover on it.
Turbo?
Probably.
Original everything.
Cool car, man. Cool car. Was that Ferrari? Maybe that's Ferrari. Maybe that's Ferrari. I don't know. That may be BMW or something. I don't know. Then we got this piece of shit right here. Oh, these are my favorite taillights.
Love these taillights. No, the other one left. Black one left.
Oh, there was another one right there? Meet just finished. Everyone's heading out. I'm gonna head out too. What is up, you guys? It is the day after the car show. As you guys can probably tell, I'm dying from the heat right now. It's like 105 degrees outside. So what we have planned right now is my friend Arman is actually gonna come pick me up, and we're gonna go and try to buy an E46 M3 for him, which is like an hour away from us. So we got kind of a drive. We're not gonna be getting it with the wheels, so I'm gonna be taking my own wheels. We're gonna be slapping them on and driving the car back home. So I gotta get a couple tools real quick before he comes and picks me up, and then we gotta load up the wheels and tires. As you guys can see behind me, this is my friend Arman's car. He just got done building it. It's a 68 Lincoln Continental. Suicide doors and everything. I'm actually going to be doing a video on this soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as time goes by. Gotta grab my stock wheels real quick. These things are disgusting at the moment, but they'll do just fine. Well, the boys are here.
Bro, I think it'll fit. I'm a Tetris champion, I'm telling you. Like a glove.
Like a glove. Like a glove.
Well, this was a bit spontaneous.
Very spontaneous, actually. I feel obligated to record stuff now.
What are we doing, boys?
We're gonna send it. You better bleep that out.
Ah, bitch!
Adi, I'll sit in the middle. Adi.
This is a 2006 Range Rover. How dare you?
Salvage, dog.
Now it's salvage.
Dad, are we there yet?
Dad. Oh shit, do we need masks?
Probably.
Nah, they're under new management, we're fine.
We're gonna get the chorizos.
Dude, is that ham and cheese?
Yeah, there's another one. There's another one.
No, I'm on a diet.
Then shut up, you
I ate a
dumbass.
salad today, bro.
Oh, would you look at that?
Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Zuchkum. Shut up, Robert.
Oh, gepatsa, dat is lekker. Ja, best wel makkelijk.
So the E46 M3 had those CSL wheels on it. We're putting on the stock F80 M3 wheels on it, just so we can get ready to hit the road. And we're in the process of taking out the wheels right now.
We're giving it a quick wash before we head back home because we got an hour drive back home. But yeah, we already picked up the car. We got this idiot inside.
You know what the bumper looks like? Like a cliff tooth or some shit. Like
Yeah.
it looks angry.
Congrats, Arman.
Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you.
finally got a car. Alright guys, it is the next day. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging last night in the dark. I'm just gonna go around and show the car real quick. It's got some damage here, but it's nothing we can't fix. It's got some sun damage on the roof, on the paint, a little bit of damage there, but it does have a lot of potential. It's an original Imola red, clean title, 6-speed, and it's a competition package. We're gonna be fully building this thing for my boy Arman, because he's the one that got it, but we're gonna be building it on this channel. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe down below and like this video. It's going to be a complete build series on this car. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want to see like a complete build breakdown on this car, and I'll get that video out for you guys also. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.